Install your new gate easy step by step. 2-in-1 super wide safety gate and play yard. Loosen the hinge knobs in a clockwise direction to allow gate to unfold. Configure your play yard into your desired shape. Remove one of the hinge knobs and remove one vertical tube. Join the free ends of the play yard together at the plastic joints. Put the pole back in to join the two sides. Slide the tube into place and screw hinge knob in counterclockwise direction to tighten. Tighten all knobs. To allow the door to swing open in only one direction, rotate the base lock on one side. To open handle, press the release button down and slide the handle back. Enjoy your new play yard.